What's up, guys? It's Sunday. I know I ain't released nothing. I started filming a little video. It's my first week back to work. Was last week. Not that any of you care, but we're going to the track today. Chaos is loaded up. Truck is ready to go. We're ready to party. We got dose bottles now. Not that we'll need it, but in case we run out. We got 2 full bottles. New set of plugs. We're shooting for 10s today. I want to go 1090. I brought a celebratory beer with me for if it goes 1090, because if it goes 1090, I'm probably just going to put it on the trailer and call it a day. That's a lie. I'll probably want to do it again. So yeah, after that last video where we had sorted out a bunch of stuff with the timing, we are going to literally take it off the trailer, put the bottle in it. Well, I'm going to put plugs in it before we make a pass. And we're going to spray this thing right out the gate. It's going to be a fun day. You guys will see it here in like... tech like usual, no problem. Got some fancy plugs we're about to throw in here. We're gonna get our ass out there. Got my helmet on and everything. we're doing a roundy round pass. I had decided that before I even know what it ran last pass. It just went 11:43 at 119. We're back in the lane, so I got the fans running while we're sitting here. It is super friggin' hot out. We're going for that 10 today. I just pulled another degree of timing out because we're not losing any mile an hour or anything yet. Up the RPMs, 500 on the rev limiter, down 500 from before, so I'm at 4,000 now on launch. We're gonna let her eat. What a day. Forgot to do a little outro deal while we were at the track still. Kind of wanted to load it up and get home. It made it on the trailer. We went 11:43 with a 5. Pretty sure that's what it was. 119 twice, 2 in a row. Hot lapped it. I think we built a bracket car here. I'm not sure. That's insane for a stick car. See her back there? She made it. I'm not lying. So yeah, for a stick car to run that kind of number back to back, it's kind of insane. At least I think so. Especially what this car is. It's nothing. You guys know. You've watched me build it. So we did not get our 10 today. We're close. 11:40 is close. Still grainy shifting it because I'm afraid to break the trans, but I mean, it went 150 60 foot today. This thing is getting it. You'll see in the video, or you already seen in the video, whatever. It left so hard the first time because it's got the 150 pills in it now. It like hopped, spun, did all kinds of weird shit. So we lowered the tire pressure down, lowered the launch RPM. It's definitely coming out of the hole way better. We're getting there. We'll get the 10. No problem. So thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. And we're going to keep flogging the hell out of this car.